Want to scan certificates, mark sheets, or important documents and save them as all one single PDF? In this video, I'll show you how to scan multiple pages and combine them into a single PDF files on your Android smartphone. So let's begin. So firstly, turn on the mobile data or Wi-Fi on your mobile. Now open Drive or Google Drive. Once the application is loaded, you will see here camera icon. Just tap on this icon and place the certificates or documents on the top of the table, and this will scan the documents automatically. Once the scanning is done and you want to scan next certificate, then again click on this plus icon and scan the next document. Once all certificates or documents has been scanned successfully, now tap on next. Now you need to tap on upload button here, and this will start uploading your scanned documents in PDF format into your Google Drive account. Once the uploaded has been successfully done, this will show the message one upload complete. So to see the file, just tap on this message and this will show the scanned documents. So let's open it. You can see here I have scanned two documents and also combined it into one PDF file. So this is how you can scan all your certificates or documents and convert it into one PDF file using your Android smartphone without using any third-party application.